Hey, I'm Adrian Milne, General Manager at Times Microwave Systems. This year in April, we got together all our distributors and reps from the European area into one place where we could talk about all the different products which Times sell into the marketplace. And here's a video showing you just a little bit about our experiences there.
Times Microwave Systems hosted a pivotal distribution training session at our Houten facility in the Netherlands. The training began with detailed presentations led by our experts, including Tony Fedor, Kevin Moyher, Ian Finch, Deepak Shwarma, Dave Kiesling and Carrie Obedzinski. They covered a wide range of topics, from LMR cables to test and measurement, high power, SiO2, specialty cables and connectors. Hands-on demonstrations allowed participants to experience our products firsthand, gaining practical insights into their applications and capabilities. One of the highlights of the event was the LMR competition. It was a fun and educational way to reinforce product knowledge. Interactive breakout sessions and Q&A segments provided opportunities for deeper discussions, enhancing the learning experience. Adrian Milne and Ian Finch presented the Best European Distributors Awards to our top-performing partners, celebrating their contributions and success. Networking and social events were integral parts of the training. Deepak Shwarma and Ian Finch arranged for a surprise outing of an afternoon of cricket. These moments allowed participants to build relationships and foster a sense of community among our European partners. Thank you to all who participated. Together, we are stronger and more equipped to meet the needs of our customers. We look forward to continued success and collaboration.